you still looking at me? Are you still looking at me?
Good morning. So today, you remember that parking spot I was telling you guys that we were gonna have dug up for the camper? Yeah, it's happening right flipping now. They're out there. Yo, Matthew, say hi to the vlog, bro. All the footage we recorded yesterday, I'm not using any of it. Because those kids were not told to record. They went and took my... Yesterday was my brother's confirmation. We're Catholic. We make confirmation. Yesterday was my brother's. Kids here felt the need to grab my camera and record. Yeah, I'm not using any of those clips. But, for those of you who know Jarvis, the dog Jarvis, which you guys don't because he's not your dog. My camera's very blurry. Okay. Did they break my camera yesterday, those little bastards? Jarvie. There he is. He's here. It's blurry. Oh, you lazy little hamster. Now let's go say hi to Jarvie. He's lonely. He wants company. Hi there. Hello. Hello, my little friend. You're such a good pup. Yeah, you're a good puppy. Phoenix. You're so good. You didn't bother anybody. Hi. Normally chihuahuas are loud and barky and mean. He's not. He doesn't bark at all. He doesn't make a sound here. Probably because he's scared. Are you scared? Do our doggies scare you? Aww. Aww. So sweet. Hi, Emma. Hi. Right there. 3 dogs. Wow. Okay, bye Jarvis. It was nice talking to you. See ya. Oh, now you're climbing on my legs. I'm your jungle gym now? I see how it is. Alright, let's go see what's poppin'. Yeah, I'm cute. Oh, I'm cute, bro. I got a haircut.
What are they doing?
You didn't know that they were digging up the camper spot, bro.
That's for the camper?
Yeah. You didn't know that's what they were doing? How did you not? You didn't see that thing at the bottom of our driveway?
No, I saw it. I just didn't know what it was for. We should get our driveway paved.
We were gonna rip up our... We were gonna put a whole new layer on top of our driveway. But we didn't end up doing it.
Why?
Because it's not in the budget right now. The camper spot has to be done. He just went over the line. Imagine he runs out of gas. They're probably going to be there like all day. I hope he doesn't leave it like caved in like that. I hope he levels it out as best as he can with the hill. Because it would just look so stupid if it's got like a pocket or like a dip like that. That's not Charlie, the guy driving it. Charles's dad? That's not Charles's dad, I don't think. Charles's dad is the smaller guy. Charles's dad's name is Charlie. Charles is just Charles. I thought Charles' real name was Charlie, but it's not. It's just Charles. I just call him. I call Charles Charlie sometimes. Just when he says something smart, I'll be like, "Okay, Charlie." But I don't know where Charlie is. He's probably sitting in a dump truck. I wonder how he's gonna get that out of here, that big machine. He'll probably come back and get it tomorrow.
Well, how'd they get it in there?
The big truck, but they don't have the big truck here.
Maybe it'll come back.
One of them will have to go and get it. He already left once to dump out the dump truck. And it looks like he'll have to leave pretty soon again, because if you can tell, it's starting to come out, yeah. Pretty cool though to see.
How
since like 8 o'clock. They've been here like 2 hours already. That's how he's gonna level it out. He's just gonna smush it down like that. I think he has a leveler though too. See?
Yeah. He keeps dirt up there.
What? No, he'll move that. See how he's pushing down on it? He's leveling it out. We're only having rocks put down there. We're not having it paved. They're only filling up rocks in there. The dirt really doesn't have to be level. I don't think. It's the rocks that have to be. Well, I don't know. I'm not a construction worker. They're not even a construction worker. They're a cement company. But, because it's called, the company is, Half Cut Cement. Or Half Cut Concrete, I meant. So, hopefully they know what they're doing. And they're going over the line. There was a line spray painted in there that they're not supposed, that they're not supposed to go past. And they did. See, they went past that orange line. The orange line went all the way down, but, you know, got dug up. Oh well. As long as they don't hit the pool, or the shed, or the electric wire, we're good.
They went far past the line. They didn't even go up to that line.
They will, though. Because if you notice, he went back further on the right, and then he did on the left. He's gonna have to put packed dirt up, though, so there's no, like, jump like that. Like, it doesn't look like there's, like a cliff. I don't know how to describe it. Look at all the leaves in the pool already. I've been recording for 8 minutes. Don't worry, this clip won't be 8 minutes long. I'm gonna cut a lot of pieces out of it. Update, dump truck left, came back, and it's full again. Full for the 3rd time now. It's gotta be empty for the 3rd time. Looks like they're just trying to level it out right now. To the hill. It looks like the spot is basically done. They're just trying to level it with the hill now. Dopersville. At least they didn't take out my tree. Except he just ran into it. Wowzers. The dump truck left and came back, and now he's full again. Pretty much.
Are they gonna leave it like a hill, or are they gonna make it straight?
They're gonna leave it like the hill. They're just trying to make it level with the hill now. That right there. Like how it is where it's with the hill. What the heck is that rope? The one with the sweatshirt on, the half cut, that's Charlie.
He is old.
That's how they're gonna. Dynamite will blow. I thought they were gonna bite. Originally they were gonna blow out the hill. I don't know if that means they were gonna like blow it up, or if that's what blow out the hill is.
How did he throw that in the truck? Why? How did it not like blow?
I don't know, homie. I don't even know where they take the dirt. Like where he's been taking it.
Well, has he? Like, did it take a long time to come back? And there
No.
were 10 minutes.
No, I don't know where he's dumping it. Where he goes. He has a yard somewhere. I don't know if he goes and dumps it where he parks the trucks, or that dump truck's not his though. He rents it. Unless maybe that's the company he bought it from, Bluestone Excavating. I know that Caterpillar is his. He owns that. The machine he's using, that Caterpillar, that's his.
I thought they were just gonna pave dry.
No, they're putting rocks down. I don't know where the rocks are, but
Well, he's probably gonna go get it and fill this truck up and bring it.
that's probably what he's gonna do. You're a fucking genius. And he's probably got to bring other trucks here too.
Did they move out yet back there?
Oh yeah, they've been gone for weeks.
Really?
Yeah.
Did the people move in yet?
No, they're having trouble closing on the house. Yeah, that house back there, guys,
I want that slide.
it's empty. And it's a beautiful, beautiful house, too, so it's sad to see it empty. The people moved out, and the new owners, they did sell it, but they're having trouble closing on it. And if they don't close soon, I bet the new owners, they're probably going to start looking for a different house, because technically, they still can, because they don't own the house yet. They haven't closed on it yet. And it's a beautiful house.
We should go in there.
And they got crap money for it, too. They didn't get much for that house. That house, they bought it for probably, I bet you, close to or probably $500,000. They probably paid at least $500,000 for that house, and they didn't even get $400,000 for it. They didn't get, their house is bigger than ours, and they didn't get $400,000 for their house, but we paid $400,000 for this house. Just crazy for this house to pay $400,000, or close to it.
Our house isn't even that big.
Yeah, we're not even gonna get. No, I'll be surprised if we get 3 for it. But down south houses are cheaper, so we could get a bigger house than this, or
We need a bigger house.
we could get a.
They want to separate Alec and Matthew.
We could get a bigger house.
Like Matthew even needs room.
We could get a bigger house down south for cheaper than we paid for this house.
Probably not gonna move. Daddy got his job now.
Well, he said he would leave if we moved. They plan to.
I don't wanna move.
I want to.
I don't.
I don't like the school.
You're not good at making.
Alright guys, sorry if it's windy. The workers left. I don't know if they're coming back today or if they just left for like a break, or if they probably went to exchange the trucks. I don't know. Because they have to get the trailer for this. The spot looks done. I think they just have to put the rocks down. But yeah, I don't know if they're coming back today or what they're doing. But he said he was going to level it out best with the hill, and it looks like that's kind of what he did. I don't think it's going to get any more level with the hill than that. But yeah, the camper is going to be parked there. It used to be parked right there in the driveway, but now it's going to be parked right here where this big thing is, the excavator. So we'll see. Hopefully they come back and finish today, because I would hate to see it like that. And I kind of want to get the camper up, because I don't know if you guys know, but the camper, we had to move it out to the street, so it's all the way down there, which has been making my mom very nervous. So we got to get it back in the driveway. Alright guys, they did come back. You can see the guy's head on the other side of the shed. Right now he's leveling it out. As you can see right there. He's leveling it. Pretty doperville.
Hey, dick suckers.
Sorry if you guys are like seeing the screen. I'm recording it through the window.
Can they see us?
Probably not. There's only one guy right now.
You have to slow us down.
But that's not Charlie.
Keep it.
That's not Charlie, and he has Charlie's truck. So Charlie must have taken the dump truck. That guy just has a truck full of wood, hay right now, because he's going to put hay on the hill right there.
What?
Charlie must be back. He's looking down. He must be here with the rocks. Unless he's just looking that way. Charlie probably took the dump truck to go get the rocks.
He's probably trying to be careful so he doesn't put like footprints on it. Or maybe his
Plus, he probably has to put a lot of pressure down on that thing to level it out right. I don't know. Oh well. I hope,
It looks cool because it's like flat and then it's just a hill.
less grass for us to mow. Well, for me to mow.
Touch me again. The grass on the hill. Does that start to grow back?
But yeah. They're gonna put hay down there for now.
Why is it need hay?
It hides the dirt. I don't know. It's looking dope though. Jarvis, what are you doing? Are you cold? You went all up in the blankie? Are you cold? Really, bro? Why'd you scare him?
Face is like, oh, fuck you in my bed.
Alright guys, looks like they're almost done. They're getting... Wow. I've never... My bad. It looks like they're almost done. They're getting the rocks put down now. They're finished leveling out. The dump truck came back and just dumped the rocks down. They're gonna put out the rocks, level those out. And then my dad will be home and we'll be putting the camper out, hopefully. We'll be bringing the camper up, hopefully. Gonna be super dope. You can see right there, he is putting the rocks out. Little does he know, I'm filming this whole thing and uploading it to YouTube. So if he looks himself up, he'll be on YouTube. I don't know that guy's name. Now he's gonna be ripping it up again. He'll have to level it out again. It's gonna look so good when it's done. My dad's not here today. My brother had a tournament in Jersey, yo. Taylor, say hi to the vlog.
No way.
Don't tell me what to do. You don't talk to me like that. Okay, you piece of fucking shit. Alright. Dang, he's getting right on near him with that crane. Before it was like right at him, and the guy's not even moving, bro. He ain't scared. I want to go out there while that's moving and see how if it's actually like really loud. Actually, I could just open the window, honestly. I don't want them to see me though. It's not that loud. I wish I had a security camera. I would just honestly, I'd take all the footage off the security camera and use it. That was the dog. That was Jarvis. He burps a lot. Guys, yeah, I'm wearing my glasses today. My eyesight's such shit. I'll give you guys updates.
Wah, wah, yeah, yeah. Wah, wah, yeah, yeah. Wah, wah, yeah, yeah. Wah, 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 wah. Fuck me in the moonlight. Got them dwarf problems. Got them dwarf problems. Got them dwarf problems. Reaching for the top. Got wah, wah, yeah, yeah. Wah, wah, yeah, yeah. Wah, wah, yeah, yeah.